this is the hallway as you enter. We'll make this our bedroom. Outside, it's quite, well, biggish. This is the other room. That's a water tank. You can see outside. And then this will be the living room. There's a fireplace for winter. And then that leads to outside. The staircase leads upstairs. That's to the backyard, but you can't get through because there's a staircase, but I'll show you that. This is also another little passageway, the toilet, the sink, and there's a window there. So then if we now come up, and then this is another window, that's the backyard. And there's shops across the road. Shelves here. That goes downstairs. And then here again. You can see the cars. More shelves. It's quite warm today. And then these windows open up to outside, and this is the kitchen area. And then there's outside and that water tank again. The stove and the lights that go on. Oh, there are even lights here that switch on. That's pretty cool. More storage. It's actually a nice color. There are these just like closet spaces. Yeah, it's pretty cool how there's like actually so much sun and this beautiful like tree. Chill vibes, y'all. And then this leads to the backyard. That's the toilet. And then this is the toilet area and the shower. Need to clean these walls. This also opens to outside. The shower area. Yeah. And then now to show you outside. And then look at how pretty it is when you go outside. So that's like a staircase that leads up. And this is the private like backyard. So much space. how it looks.